joined today by Steve Brown from the Engineering Technology Group. Now, you may have seen already, but they've launched a new range of machine tools called the Vulcan range. So, Steve, thank you for joining me today. The Vulcan range, it sounds exciting. What's it all about?
So it's a project that we've been working on for 2 years now. So our customers reached out to us and asked us to bring to the market a more entry-level product. We went to our current principals, who had actually taken a different approach and moving towards a more high-end product. We therefore then spent, a good 12 months looking for a builder to work with us. We invested in a factory in Taiwan. We have a number of employees that work out there under ETG for ourselves that help bring this product to market. The range itself is quite a vast range. It consists of turning lathes and vertical machining centres, from a 6-inch chuck all the way up to a 30-inch chuck on the lathes. Milling machines is your compact 400 mil, all the way up to a 12-metre gantry. So the range itself is vast. Impressive.
Now, I'm going to tell you that we will be travelling to Wellesbourne later on in May, and we will be doing the official launch live on Facebook and YouTube and getting into those machines and getting all technical. So, Steve, what machines are we going to be seeing?
We're also excited to be working with you guys for the virtual tour of the Vulcan range. There's a variety of machines. There's some vertical machining centres with Siemens controls, and we've got a range of lathes. From 6-inch all the way through to 12-inch. So yeah, it'd be good opportunity for all of us to get the cameras in there and start seeing the qualities of the product that we're bringing through.
Definitely, and I think we're going to get a real feel for those machines as well. Thank you so much, Steve. I'm really excited. All the details of the official launch will be provided over the coming weeks, but can't wait to see you, Steve, and the Vulcan range that you've got to offer.